It's my turn. My turn! Do you remember when I said last time that it's never too much of Easter? Now you see why. It's Orthodox Easter. To be specific, Orthodox Easter Day was last Saturday, so technically it's over. The footage in the episode is my workflow of creating a 3D Orthodox Easter still that you see in the cover, just in case you wondered. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to get to the Easter goodness? Orthodox Easter is the second major spring holiday for Slavs after International Women's Day. Overall, this holiday has similar structure and idea to Catholic Easter, but the schedule and details are different because Christian traditions blended with local East European traditions here. Remember, we love small details. On the still, you see colored eggs because Emperor Tiberi, Maria Magdalena, and Wonderful Wonder. Also, you see kulich, which is bread cake with icing on top. It always made with raisins. Overall, it looks like a big cupcake. During church service, some people put a candle on the top of the kulich. When I was a kid, I would always remove raisins from my kulich, but now I'm mature and wise, and I know that raisins are cool. I don't remove them anymore. Love raisins. Back to the still. There is a treat on the right side called Pascha. Classical Pascha made with cottage cheese and raisins. Yes, we love raisins. You're welcome. Fancy people add different dry fruits and nuts there. According to the tradition, it's decorated with letters HV, which is short for Христос воскрес, Christ is risen in Russian, and a cross. Last but not least, symbol of Orthodox Easter is verba. On my still, it's in the vase in the middle. Verba, or willow in English, is a plant, a branches of a willow tree to be exact. At the early stage of blooming, willow flowers have fluffy texture, which makes them look like little clouds. It is a significant part of Orthodox Easter. Verba has its very own day, Вербное воскресенье, dedicated to this plant. Вербное воскресенье is a Sunday before Holy Week, the last week of fasting, preparing to the day X. In Easter settings, verba is used to replace palm branches that Jerusalem citizens used to welcome Jesus, because, palm doesn't grow in Eastern Europe. Personally, I like verba more because it's cute and fluffy. Now, since we have full Orthodox Easter basket covered, we are ready to discover pre-Christian background of those items. In pagan times, there were a holiday called Velik Den, which means the Great Day, which is a pagan New Year. It was celebrated each year during spring equinox. This holiday was heavily related to fertility of nature, good harvest, and nature waking up in general. Later, Velik Den was blended with Christian traditions, because, we both have this rebirth reincarnation thing going on in spring. Why not to have two for the price of one? Pagan treats for the holiday, which is Pascha and kulich, remained as a part of Easter celebration for Slavs. Fun fact, those treats symbolize female and male fertility. You can connect the dots here yourself, because I'm moving to verba. Verba was also an important part of pagan Slavs' life. They believed that verba removes curses and heals. It is also known to be a part of pagan rituals, and it would be placed above the bed of sick person for them to heal. Currently, Orthodox Easter is official holiday in many countries in Eastern Europe. Easter season starts with 7-week fasting before the official Easter day, where people stop consuming meat, milk, fish, eggs, and sweets to honor that Jesus was in desert 40 days without water and food. This is the time when all vegetarians in Russia can go to the store and have enormous amount of food option without getting blamed. Holy time. If the food at the store marked as suitable for Easter fasting, that means it's vegetarian. To be realistic, Slavs mostly fast during Easter to drop weight. Then, Вербное воскресенье, Verba Sunday, when people baptize cute verbas and prepare to begin Holy Week. During the last week of fasting, Holy Week, people do deep house cleaning and prepare Easter treats. Then, the Easter Day. This year it's May the 2nd. The week after Easter called Svetlae. This is the week where everyone is welcome to ring a church bell, and bell ringing contests and other fun activities take place. During this week, Slavs would remember their ancestors because it was believed that their souls come down to earth to celebrate spring and the beginning of new life. Slavs would visit relatives' graves, throw a feast to show ancestor spirits that they are remembered. Starting a family during this week were considered good luck, and this is why a lot of festivals with games and fortune-telling, social gatherings and speed dating, aka marriage deals, took place the week after Easter. Now is Svetlae week, so don't forget to take advantage of it. As for me, I'm here for food. Nothing personal, I'm just foodie. Happy Orthodox Easter, Christos Voskres, and see you at the next episode. Like and subscribe.